Hey there, it's Chris here from selfmadenewbie.com. Welcome to this commission funnels review. For those affiliate marketers out there who are looking to see a massive boost in revenue, in sales, this video is really going to be for you. Commission funnels in a nutshell is going to enable you to draw in more customers by providing them with simply more value than what most people are doing. That value, of course, being in the form of free products, free bonuses, and things of that nature. I employ this strategy myself, as you were about to find out. So I really believe in it. I really stand behind it. Up to now, you have to do this all manually, but what Commission Funnels is going to be able to help you do is create these bonus pages, bonus giveaways, pretty much within a template, just clicking a few mouse buttons, basically on autopilot. Today we're going to take a deep dive into Commission Funnels, and as well as that, I've also sourced some really cool bonuses that are going to go hand in hand with Commission Funnels and really help you to hit the ground running. Before we get into all that though, it would really help me out if you dropped a like on this video and hit the subscribe button and turn on that little bell if you want to be notified of updates, new platforms coming out, things like that. Also, just quickly, if you want to jump ahead at any time during this video and check out Commission Funnels for yourself, I'd recommend going through the link in my description, because that way you'll be able to get access to my bonuses absolutely free. So when you click that link in the description, you'll go through to my bonus page, which looks like this. Legal stuff at the top, contact details if you have any problems, info about the product. And the way it works is my bonus page is integrated with the official Commission Funnels sales page. So what that means is if you click on any of these green buttons, that will lock in your bonuses before then launching you off to the sales page if you decide to purchase. The first bonus I've gotten for you is a 5-in-1 bonus. Usually these are sold separately, but I thought I'd just throw them in together. And it's the social media income, Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, LinkedIn, and Pinterest version. So when you create your bonus offers and things like that, what you want to really do then is actively go out and get people to your offer. Where are people hanging out? They're on Web 2.0, they're on Facebook, Instagram. So this is going to help you really not just passively rely on SEO to boost up your bonus pages and boost up your review pages. This is going to help you perform effectively on each social media platform. They do work a little bit differently. There are different ways to communicate, different nuances with how you share content and things like that. This is going to help you to drive traffic from all the social media platforms back to your offer. The next bonus I've gotten for you, this came out I think last week and I got my hands on it, and it's called Facebook Groups Unleashed. And I get a lot of my traffic from Facebook groups as well, and if you know how to find the right groups, they can be really powerful as far as your traffic goes. This product covers those fundamentals of what groups to actually look for, buyer traffic in. So I think this is really going to help you out as well. Email management secrets, and this is going to help you because when people are buying from you, you're going to notice a big hike in sales with bonus pages. First of all, you're going to be collecting those emails, and it's important to be able to manage your email list effectively because a lot of your money in the future is going to come from your list. So email management secrets, I've thrown this in for later on when you're getting these sales. You're automatically generating a lot more emails from a lot more sales because usually the buyer's email address is automatically added to your mailing list. This is going to help you in future, so whenever you are putting out a product, whenever you are offering bonuses, you can contact that list on your terms. They've already bought from you in the past, so they are buyer friendly, trigger happy, whatever you want. They are interested in buying what you have to offer, so you can contact these kinds of people on your terms if you know how to use email properly. Bonus number 4 is going to go hand in hand with that. It's $1 Million Copy, which is a massive product that helps you to write in a way that triggers emotions in people, compels them to buy, hits on pain points, things like that. As well as the second one I threw in there called How to Read Your Customers' Minds Better Than Houdini. This all goes into those psychological biases and how to use language in a way that compels people to buy. So 2 products there that are really going to help you when it comes to sending out emails, writing copy on pages, bonus pages, and just anywhere. The 5th bonus I've gotten for you is the vendors hooked me up some really cool bonuses to give to you. List Building Expert, which is going to help you with your list building as well. See, they've also acknowledged that email is going to be super important. 100 e-course publishing tips. We've got speedy content publishing tips, SlideShare video tips, and yeah, so 4 really cool bonuses there. Really going into how to create content. Content is king. If you can put content out on different platforms in different ways, you're getting my social media income bonus. This is all going to go hand in hand to proactively go out and get those buyers and get them back to your offers, to your bonus pages. So if that all sounds good to you, it's step 1. Click the link in the description. You'll go to my bonus page, lock in your bonuses by clicking on any of these green buttons. That will send you off to the commission funnel sales page, which looks like this. Very big page, a lot of info, testimonials, features, functions. I recommend going through it. And if you do decide to buy, you'll be sent a digital receipt, which will look like this. Because it is a JVZoo product. And as I said, under the green button will be commission funnels, under the blue button, all the bonuses that I just talked about. If you have any problems, my email is here. And also I will say that this is a launch week offer. So any discounted pricing you will get exclusively through my link, and any bonus offers, keep your eye on this timer, because when it goes down to 0, they'll no longer be available. So basically, the sooner you get in, the more you get for the lower price. The price is going up gradually throughout the week, so make a note of that as well. So right now, we're gonna get into a demo from the creators of commission funnels, so you can see exactly what to expect. Let's check it out. All right, I hope you enjoyed that demo. Now, really quickly before we close out the video, if you go into the bonus page, again, in the link in the description, you will come to the pricing options. So commission funnels, front end, $19.95. You do only need this option in order to get all the bonuses. So don't feel like you have to upgrade in order to get access to everything. You just need the front end option, and you can read about this, go through to the bonus page, read all about what is included in the front end. If you buy commission funnels, there will be a couple of one-time offers there. You'll get the unlimited offer, which just gives you additional templates, more bonus products, display unlimited bonus product, access to premium suite of bonus products, and just a bunch of extras for $10, $20 more dollars. Then you can upgrade to commission funnels done for you funnels. So if you want them to do it for you, you get 10 done for you packages. And then you've got automated traffic flow, where they give you a done for you traffic stream, training, stuff on ads, and you can check that out, see if that's right for you. And then you get conversion boosting tools as another one-time offer. This goes into more like social proof pop-ups, adding those to your page, adding exit pop-ups, just adding more kind of bells and whistles that help you generally convert a little bit better. And then we've got triple traffic training, which is, different training on scaling, upping your ROI, how to use commission funnels, how they use it. So if you want extra training, if you're very, very new, that might help you. And then of course you can get full relicensing rights, where you can sell commission funnels as your own product, get all the sales material added on there as well. So I would go through these on my bonus page, check out which option is right for you, because of course everyone's different. There is a full money back guarantee, so yeah, I do recommend getting in sooner rather than later. If you are not running bonuses on your affiliate product reviews, you need to stop doing that, okay? That's basically step one, is start offering bonuses, because if you are not offering bonuses versus someone who is, who do you think people are gonna go with? Okay, so I do recommend checking this out risk-free. If you do have any questions, feel free to hit me up in the comments, social media, my email. I do reply to everybody as quickly as I can. And yeah, if not, enjoy commission funnels, enjoy those commission increases now that you're offering bonuses, and I'll catch you again on the next video. Take care.